Good morning, 5th class children. Now let us open page number 23 in your course book. Next concept, factor tree. See here, we represent our family members on a family tree as shown here. Family tree, grandparents, parents, uncles and aunts, parents, brothers and sisters, cousins. Similarly, the factors of a number can also be represented as a tree as shown below. See, like family tree, we can represent factor tree also. Factor tree. See here, 8 times 7 is 56. 8 sevens are 56. So, 7 and 8 are factors of 56. Continue breaking down the two factors of 56 into their own factors. See, first 56 is divided into 7 and 8. Now 8 is divided 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. So 2 and 4 are factors of 8. Next, take 7. 7 is a prime number and doesn't have any factors other than 1 and 7. So 7 is a prime number. 7 has only 1 and 7 are the factors. Now let's continue breaking down 4 and 2. 4 and 2 into factors. 2 2's 4. So 2 is the factor of 4. 2 is a next another 2. 2 is a prime number, so we stop the process at 2. Similarly, we stop breaking down 7 because 7 is also a prime number. So the prime factors of 56 are 2, 2, 2 and 7. See here, 56. 56 is divided 8 and 7. 8 sevens are 56. 8 and 7 are factors of 56. Next, 7 is a prime number. So, 7 has 1 and 7 are its factors. Next, 8. 2 4's 8. 2 and 4 are factors of 8. Next, 2. 2 is a prime number. So, 2 is only the factor itself. 2 and 1. Next, 4. 4. 2 2's 4. So, 2 is the prime number. So, we can stop here. So, 2, 2, 2 and 7. These are the prime factors of 56. See, 2 2's 4, 4 2's 8, 8 7's 56. So, the factor tree does not necessarily produce all the possible factors of a number. The tree gives us the numbers prime factors. The tree gives us the numbers prime factors. So, a factor tree is a tool. A factor tree is a tool that breaks down any number into its prime factors. Prime factorization. Let us see few more examples for factor tree. See 150. 150, 10 into 15. 10 and 15 are the factors of 150. So again 10. 5 2's 10. 5 and 2 are the factors of 10. 5 is a prime number and 2 is a prime number. We can stop dividing here. Next 15. 3 5's 15. So 3 is prime number, 5 is prime number. We can stop dividing here. So 5, 2, 3, 5 are the prime factors of 150. Okay. Next one, 24. 24. 6 4's are 24. Next again 6. 2 3's are 6. 4. 2 2's are 4. Now 2, 3 are the prime numbers. So we can stop here. 2, 3, 2, 2 are the prime factors of 24. Next 72. 36 2's 72. 2 is a prime number. So we will divide 36. We will break 36. 9 4's are 36. Again 9. 3 3's are 9. 4. 2 2's are 4. So here 3, 3, 2, 2 and 2. 3 2's, 2 3's are the prime factors of 72. 2. The numbers 150, 24 and 72 are expressed as products of prime factors. The process of expressing a given number as a product of all prime factors is called the prime factorization of that number. The process of expressing a given number as a product of all prime factors is called the prime factorization of that number. Let us see some more examples in the next page, children. We can write any number as the product of prime factors. Let us find the factors of 60 and 252. See 60, 2 30s, 60. 2 is a prime number, so stop here. 30, write 30 like 2 15s. Again 15, 3 5s. So here 60 prime factors are 2, 2, 3 and 5. We can divide 60 in another way also. 15 fours are 60. 15 fours are 60. Again divide 15 as 3 fives. 4 as 2 twos. So see here 3, 5, 2, 2. Same answer. Same answer we will get. And in another way. 10 6 are 60. 10 6 are 60. Divide 10 as 2 5s 10. 6 as 2 3s 6. So here also 2, 5, 2, 3 are the prime factors. Okay, next see 252. 2 into 126. 252. Again 126. 2 63s 126. Again 63. 3 21s. 21. 3 7s. So here 2, 2, 3, 3, 7 are the prime factors. So when a number is expressed as a product of prime factors, it is called prime factorization of the given numbers. To prime factorize a number, for example 63, see here 63, divide the number 63 by the smallest prime number first. What is the smallest prime number? 2. So 3 is there in the ones place. In 63, what is the ones place digit? 3. So 3 is not divisible by 2. 3 is not divisible by 2. So then divide with the next prime number. What is the next prime number? 3. So as the sum of digits in 63, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 is divisible by 3. 9 is divisible by 3, so 63 is also divisible by 3. The number 63 will be divisible by 3. See here 63. 3 21s 63. Again 21. 21 is not divisible by 2. Next prime number 3 7s are 21. Again 7 1s are 7. So then divide the number 21 by 3 again. Now we have number 7. Number 7 is not divisible by 3 and its next prime number 5. So it has to be divided by the next prime number after 5, which is 7. Stop dividing because now all the factors are prime numbers. So what are the 63 factors here? 3 3 7. 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63. Okay? Okay children, this is about factor tree. Factor tree means prime factorization. In factor tree we can write the number as a prime factors. The process of writing prime numbers is called prime factorization. A number is expressed a product of prime factors. It is called prime factorization of the given numbers. Okay. Now in the next video we will discuss about the next concept children.